So hi, I'm Zani. This is my Town Hall 13 and I am going to show you an air attack without any clan troops. So let's get started. So in air attack we have to destroy the eagle archery first. So that's why we will destroy the X-bow first, right beside eagle archery. And the balloon is empty. And first we will have to deploy the dragons and then the grand warden to protect them, and then the minion prince, the king and the queen. You can also deploy them in anywhere. Okay, this isn't very easy attack, you can also try it. And the king is losing his ability, so we will let them do their magic and we will easily win this attack. Let's see. And it's done, easy peasy.